Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'll keep this short because it's really cold. So this is a video I normally don't do. I talk about something I do not like. It's kind of like a complaint about a car wash. I've done that once and sadly this is the second time. I paid for a touchless wash here. It was $10. It was the second best one. The best one had a rain guard on top of it, which this one didn't have. So the car was, the truck was dirty, but it wasn't like filthy. I drove a little bit over a road where it was muddy, but only about 20 miles an hour and not that long. So it should be okay. Now, look what happened. The wash sprayed water, didn't get anything clean. Look at this. This is from the last rain. Not clean. Not clean. This is not clean. I left those boards out so they would get cleaned, and look at that. There's mud on them. So I don't know. What do you think? Is that the norm with touchless washes, or did it just get a bad one? What do you think? I mean, I'm not happy with this, and I will post this on the washes Google. I'll post the Google review, and I'll let them know that this is not acceptable. Look at that. This nothing's clean, so not acceptable. And there's nobody here, and the wash with the brushes is closed, so I had to take this one. Anyways, enough complaining. This is too loud out there. I don't really like when people complain about everything, but I really think asking $10 for this and having this result is ridiculous. Look at this. You know that? So, anyways, guys, let me know what your opinion is. Is this acceptable? Am I too picky? Would you complain? Would you just deal with it? What would you do? What I'm gonna do now is I'll go to the next wash and I'll pay money again to get the truck cleaned. I would clean it by hand, but it is really cold. It's freezing. All right, guys, have a wonderful night, and thanks for your support. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. Thank you.